In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Kit subscribers' phone numbers. We'll walk through this using the latest Kit interface step by step, so you can easily download a file with all of your subscribers' details, including their phone numbers. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to access your export file from your email. First, log into your Kit account and head to the main navigation. At the top, look for the section labeled Grow. This is where Kit keeps all of your growth tools and audience-related features. Hover over or click Grow, then select Subscribers. This opens the page where you can see your entire list of subscribers. On the Subscribers page, you'll see a table with your contacts. To prepare for the export, you need to select the subscribers you want to include. If you want to export everyone on your list, go to the very top of the table and click the checkbox in the header row. This tells Kit that you want to select all of the subscribers currently visible. If you have more than 30 subscribers, Kit will only show a portion of them on the first page. After checking that top box, look for a blue bar that appears near the top of the list. It will include a link that says something like, "Select all subscribers in your account." Make sure to click that link if you want the export to include your entire list, not just the subscribers shown on the current page. This step is easy to overlook, but it is essential if your audience is larger than one page of results. Once your subscribers are selected, look for the Bulk Actions drop-down menu, usually located above the list. Click on Bulk Actions to open the menu. From the options that appear, choose Export. This tells Kit you want to create a downloadable file of your selected subscribers. After you choose Export, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Review it to make sure everything looks correct. Then click Done. At this point, Kit will start processing your export in the background. You do not need to stay on this page while it works. You can navigate elsewhere in your account, or even close the browser if you want. When the export is ready, Kit will send an email to the account owner. Open the inbox associated with your Kit account and look for a message from Kit that mentions your subscriber export. Inside that email, you'll find a download link. Click the link to download your file, and you'll have a spreadsheet containing your subscribers' details, including their phone numbers, ready to use for your records, backups, or other tools in your workflow.